Understanding research and development, R&D. Research and development, R&D, is a fundamental aspect of innovation within various sectors in today's fast-paced economic environment. It serves as a crucial step for businesses aiming to introduce new products or improve existing offerings. R&D not only lays the groundwork for product development and testing but is also integral to securing a competitive edge in any market. Key takeaways of R&D. Definition: research and development include innovative activities undertaken by companies to develop new products or improve existing offerings. Industry scope: while companies from all sectors engage in R&D, industries such as pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, and technology are known for the highest expenditure in this area. Types: R&D is generally categorized into basic research, applied research, and development research, each catering to different objectives and methodologies. Financial impact: R&D expenditures can significantly influence a company's income statement and balance sheet, often considered an expense but can be capitalized under certain conditions. The role of R&D in corporate strategy. In both corporate and government settings, R&D is often associated with innovation. It allows businesses to anticipate market needs and adapt their strategies to meet changing consumer demands or capitalize on emerging trends. A well-structured R&D program can be a lifeline for companies needing to innovate, as relying solely on mergers and acquisitions or partnerships may not yield sustainable outcomes. Distinctive features of R&D. R&D activities typically diverge from standard operational tasks within an organization, focusing on long-term profitability rather than immediate financial returns. Consequently, R&D can secure valuable intellectual property like patents and copyrights, granting companies a competitive edge through exclusivity. Capital allocation in R&D. Investing in R&D requires significant capital, and companies must assess the risk-adjusted return on their expenses carefully. As investment levels rise, so does the associated capital risk. There's a potential for loss since outcomes are uncertain and not guaranteed. Types of research and development. R&D encompasses various types, depending on the objectives. Basic research. This foundational approach explores fundamental aspects of phenomena without specific applications in mind. It often serves as a precursor to R&D activities. Applied research. This category involves researching specific goals, such as developing new products or improving processes. Applied research is purpose-driven and typically demands more resources. Development research. This model is focused on converting research findings into practical applications, with industrial scientists or engineers engaged in the development of new products or enhancements to existing ones. Advantages and disadvantages of R&D. Advantages. 1. Facilitates innovation. R&D enables businesses to create new and improved products, ensuring continued relevance in the marketplace. 2. Skill enhancement. Engaging in R&D encourages the acquisition of specialized skills, broadening the knowledge base within companies. 3. Consumer benefits. Enhanced product offerings lead to better quality options for consumers, fostering brand loyalty. 4. Economic growth. R&D drive productivity and economic advancement on a broader scale. Disadvantages. 1. Financial investment. The initial costs associated with R&D can be considerable, requiring careful financial planning. 2. Time consumption. The R&D cycle, from conception to market delivery, can be lengthy, limiting short-term returns. 3. Market trends. There's a risk that R&D outputs may not align with evolving market demands, potentially leading to wasted resources. Pros cons. Facilitates innovation, significant financial investment. Improved product offerings, extended time to market. Expansion of knowledge and skill pool, risk of shifting market trends. R&D accounting practices. From an accounting perspective, R&D expenses are typically treated as operational costs, impacting financial statements adversely in the short term. However, certain scenarios allow for the capitalization of R&D costs, such as resources that can be reused beyond the project, software development efforts that yield ongoing benefits. These practices enable companies to manage their financial reporting more effectively. R&D tax incentives. To bolster innovation, the IRS provides R&D tax credits, yielding dollar-for-dollar reductions on tax liabilities for qualifying expenses related to product development, software creation, and process improvement. These incentives, especially beneficial for small to mid-sized enterprises, encourage continued investment in R&D. Real-world examples. Several tech giants exemplify successful R&D investment. In 2023, Apple Incorporated allocated approximately $29.915 billion to R&D, accounting for 8% of its total sales. This prioritization highlights the strategic value placed on innovation, enabling Apple to remain a leader in the competitive technology sector. Conclusion. R&D represents a strategic investment essential for businesses aiming for long-term growth and innovation. While it comes with notable challenges, most evidently financial and time commitments, the potential for product development and market differentiation makes it a cornerstone of success in the modern economy. Engaging in R&D opens doors for companies to thrive amid rapid technological advancements and changing consumer preferences. In a world where innovation is paramount, R&D is more than just a part of business, it's a driver of progress and sustainability.